What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful who you confide in. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title below, I'm gonna be doing a low ponytail, low bun type, one of those stuff. It's a low bun slash low ponytail slash type thing. And I know every time I come on camera my hair gets bigger and bigger. Not even bigger because I didn't comb it out, but it gets longer and longer in my face. Who hair is this? For the people who have been here since my big chop, you know what I'm talking about. Like, my hair is growing so fast. It's so crazy. September I did my length check and my hair was like right here. And now today's December 1st. My hair is here. Anyways, my hair is still wet. It's like 6:30 in the evening. I washed my hair since 1 p.m. today and it's still a little damp because I had it in 4 plaits. I haven't put any products in it yet or anything, so that's what I'm about to do. The first product I'm going to be using is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm having dry scalp in my hair. I've had that problem since I was a child. So what I'm going to be using for that is a Hair and Body naturally free hair and scalp oil. I've talked about this and showed you guys this oil with carrot and broccoli seed oils in previous videos. So here I'm just using the rat tail comb to pull out some of my hair in the back so my hair don't pull too much and break. Then after, I'm gonna apply more gel so I can tie my hair down with a scarf, making sure everything is laid, all flyaways laid and slayed. Jackie's Grapeseed Shine Mist for a little shine.
Jackie's.
You remember that? Your girl hair can go in a low ponytail. Short natural hair, medium natural hair. I don't know what length I'm at now. I think I'm like medium length. But let me know how I did. That spot here bother me.